All right, got another fresh off the truck from Squid Industries. So we should open this with a, oh, never mind. There's not an edge on that thing. Let me find something else to open this with. Oh, I didn't bring my surf to show you guys. It's a first production blem I should be using to open this, but that's okay. There'll be plenty of fresh off the trucks with Squid here. Trying not to cut into anything that might be in here that you guys might like. What might this be? Falls out. All right. Very nice, very nice. Some Squid Industry rubber mats, torch keys, and look at that. Wow. This is a birthday present from somebody. And ooh. This is all about how the light hits. Little Squid Industries fresh off the truck.